everybody, it is time for another taste testing. We got some new candy that I am excited to share with you guys. Now I got these at Walgreens. Walgreens has these 2 for $2 when I purchased these, and right now there is a 40-cent rebate with these, but I ended up getting the chocolate frosted donut for the Kit Kat. Now I love Kit Kat bars. Kit Kat bars are probably like my #1 chocolate candy. Love it, love it, love it. The employee who I was talking about, she said there's a coffee taste in here, and I hope there's not, because I'm not a coffee person. And then we got Hershey's Milklicious, and this is milk chocolate with creamy chocolate milk filling. So we're going to taste test these bad boys and see how they taste. I'm going to do the Hershey's chocolate, because then if I don't like the Kit Kat, I can hurry up and take another bite of this one. So, what are these? They're cows. They are cows on top. They're cow faces. Okay, so we got 4 cows stacked up on top of each other. It smells like regular Hershey's chocolate, which I love, but I'm sorry, cow. We're going to have to bite your head off. This kind of reminds me of an Easter candy. Now, my daughter's obsessed with chocolate. My daughter is obsessed with chocolate. She will probably go crazy over this. To me, I think it's too much chocolate. Like, I love eating Hershey Kisses. I love eating Hershey's plain by itself. But I feel like you get that taste, and then you get like this soft filling. And I feel like it's just too much chocolate. I mean, I only took a bite of 1 cow's face out of the 4. And it fills you up. I mean, it is a filling, but I feel like I don't need any more bites. Like, I feel like it's good. Would I buy it again? I probably would not. I probably would not. It's good, but not where it's like, I don't even feel like I want to take another bite. Like, it's good, but just too much for me. I probably give this a 6 out of 10. I know. Everybody has different, opinions and everything, and that's why I like to share with you guys. If you guys have tried that, let me know what you love. Sometimes I see people like, oh my god, I loved it, I loved it, I loved it. Awesome. Awesome. That's why they make all these random things, because everybody has different tastes. But I don't know. I give it a 6 out of 10. I'm not like super happy about it. Now we're going to try the chocolate frosted donut. It doesn't smell like a Kit Kat bar. So if you look at it right now, we got the chocolate on the top, and then it's like a little bit lighter on the bottom. It doesn't truly smell like a Kit Kat bar, but it does smell like a chocolate. I actually kind of like it. I'm not getting like the full Kit Kat taste to it. I'm also not getting a full like chocolate donut taste to it. I'm getting like a bit of a mixture. I don't really have a coffee aftertaste. I do have an aftertaste, but it's not like a chocolate. I don't know. I like it. I like it. I probably give this one. I want to give this like an 8 out of 10. The thing is, would I buy this again? Probably, but maybe at like a discounted price. I wouldn't find myself like craving it. There's some foods where I'm like, oh my god, this is like the best. I would buy this again. But I have to like really be craving it. But I don't find myself like really craving it. It's good. I do like it. It's got like a mixture of the donut. I can't even tell you like what it tastes, but it's like, it's got a good like aftertaste. It's better than the Hershey's, in my opinion, for aftertaste. And I feel like I want more. I feel like I crave more. Like I could eat this whole pack. I could. But I usually leave some of this stuff for my kids. But I really enjoy it. Yeah, I would give that an 8 out of 10. So if you guys have tried these candy bars, let me know what you think of them. I know that these won't be around forever. This one might. But this one, I don't know. It just says it's crispy wafer in a donut flavored milk chocolate and cream. Yeah, I just feel like it's not a full, I gotta have more, I gotta have more. And it's very rare if I ever crave something like that. But I feel like it also fills me up. So like I don't need more. So, I don't know. This was an interesting taste test. But if you guys have tried those, please let me know what you think. I always love to hear everybody's opinions on it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you guys want to see more random taste tests. I absolutely love doing taste tests and reviews. So, yes, I will see you guys next time for another food taste test or something we can find that's awesome to try. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.